Okay friends, today we are discussing about the Unfest theorem. So before starting the Unfest first and second theorem, let us see Newton's laws. So according to the Newton's laws of motion, so this mass into velocity dx by dt is equal to a momentum, and a rate of change of momentum is equal to the minus of a dy by dx. So these formulas are won't work in a quantum mechanical treatment. Why? Because when the particle is moving in x direction, then its mass into group velocity is equal to momentum. But as a particle is in motion, the shape and size of a group wave packet is changes, and therefore directly these formulas can't work in a quantum mechanics, and this problem was solved by the Unfest. How? By taking the expectation value of x and expectation value of p, and this dp by dt is expectation value of p x is equal to this expectation value of the dv by dx. Then Unfest using this idea, this Newton's laws are obeyed by in can be proved in quantum mechanical theory. So this theorem is called the first theorem, and this is called the second theorem. Today, in this derivation, we see the first Unfest theorem. So this m into expectation value of x is equal to expectation value of px. So consider for that. We know that expectation value of x is equal to integration this a psi star x psi d tau. Okay, and therefore this a d by dt of expectation value of x is equal to a d by a dt of integration a psi star x psi in d tau. Now interchange this integration and differentiation. We have the integration is double by a double t of a psi star x psi d tau is equal to integration. So this first into integration of first into differentiation of second, and plus second into differentiation of first. Like that, we write this dou psi star into x psi plus x psi star dou psi by dou x dou psi by dou t dou psi by dou t. So this is the dou psi by dou t star into xi, and whole bracket is d tau. So this dou psi star by dou t and this dou psi by dou t we are taking from the Schrodinger's equation. And we know that the Schrodinger's relay, this is the equation 1. Then minus h bar square upon 2m is del square psi plus v psi is equal to I h cross dou psi by dou t. Now put this value of the dou psi by dou t is equal to 1 upon I h cross into bracket minus h bar square upon 2m is del square psi plus v psi into this. Okay, so this is the psi star. The complex conjugate of this is dou psi star by dou t is equal to minus 1 upon I h cross. So this is the minus into bracket minus h bar square upon 2m del square psi star plus v psi star. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now this is dou psi star by dou t. We put this value of the dou psi star by dou t from equation 3, and this dou psi by dou t put this value from the equation 2 in equation 1 we have. Okay, is equal to, so integration dou psi star by dou t is this value, so is equal to minus 1 upon I h cross into bracket minus h bar square upon 2m del square psi star plus v psi star del square psi star into x psi plus x psi star plus x psi star into bracket dou psi by dou t is equal to 1 upon I h cross into minus h bar square upon 2m del square psi plus v psi bracket completed into d2 is equal to equation 4. Okay, now multiplied from this minus I h cross inside and then this v psi and v psi star, so these are very cancelled to each other. How they are cancelled? So first this is equal to this integration minus plus into bracket, so this h bar square, so this h bar divided by 2mi into bracket this a del square psi of x psi plus del square psi, so this is the psi star, so del square psi star plus v psi star into x star, so this is the one bracket completed equal plus multiplied, so inside that minus it becomes so minus h bar upon 2mi into bracket h bar square upon this del square psi into x psi star in minus x psi star v psi, and total is zeta. Now this plus and minus, these two are the cancel to each other, and we are written this as integration h bar upon 2mi into bracket is del square psi star x psi, taking as a common, minus this del square psi x psi star, total bracket completed d2. So this is the equation 3, equation 4. Okay, now we are using the Green's theorem which converts the volume integral into the surface integral, and the general formula for the Green's theorem is integration psi1 del square psi2 minus a psi2 del square psi1 bracket completed d tau is equal to integration is psi1 del psi2 minus the psi2 del psi1 ds. Okay, means a volume integral convert into the surface integral. In this formula, use a psi1 is equal to psi star and a psi2 is equal to x star. Therefore, this equation, say equation 5 for the Green's theorem, and this becomes the integration psi1 is equal to psi star, and therefore psi star del square x psi minus x psi del square psi star bracket completed d tau is equal to integration psi 1 is psi star. So this is the psi star del x psi minus x psi del psi star dot ds. Okay. Now see the for this condition. So this is the a volume integral convert into the surface integral. But one this size tends from 0 is del psi is equal to 0, and therefore this a surface integral becomes 0. And you transfer them this equation, so integration this psi star del square x psi d tau is equal to integration x psi and del square psi star d. Okay, see, so this is what this x psi del square psi star is nothing but the first term of this equation 4. Means this equation 4 is written as in terms of this. Okay, so this term is nothing but this term, and therefore instead of this del square psi star x psi, we write integration psi star del square x psi. So put this value here. Okay, and therefore we have the integration h cross divided by 2 mi into bracket del square psi star x psi is nothing but this psi star and del square x psi bracket completed. Okay, so psi minus del square psi x psi star d. Okay, now we are going to find out what is this value of del square x psi. So this del square x psi is equal to del square is, so this is the d2 by dx square of x psi. Okay, so what is the del? Del is nothing but, so this del square is equal to delta 2 by delta x square plus delta 2 by delta y square plus delta 2 by delta z square. Okay, and therefore this del square can be written in terms of its component, and we can write this as this delta 2 by delta x square x psi plus delta 2 by delta y square x psi plus sometimes del also came, so this delta 2 by delta z square x psi. Now solve this. Okay, so here the x is taken outside as common for that, but here we don't, and therefore this delta by delta x of this delta by delta x of x psi, we write like this, plus x d2 psi by dx square dy square plus x d2 psi by dou z square. Okay, so this is the first into second, so this delta by delta x of this dou x by dou x psi plus x dou psi by dou x. Plus as it is, so this is the d2 psi by dou y square plus d2 psi by dou z square. Okay, so this is equal to 1, and therefore this is the becomes psi dou psi by dou x. So this is equal to dou by dou x of dou psi by dou x plus x dou psi by dou x. When we are differentiating again, then we are getting that 2 dou psi by dou x plus x this d2 psi by dou x square. Okay, and therefore plus as it is plus x d2 by dou y square plus x d2 divided by d2 psi dou z square. And this is what? This is nothing but your the del square x. So this is the del square x del square psi. And therefore this can be written as the 2 dou psi by dou x plus x del square psi is equal to what? Is equal to this del square xi. Means this value of the del square xi is nothing but this is equal to, we carry on it, integration h cross divided by 2mi into bracket a psi star, and value of this del square, this one what is equal to into bracket. So this is the 2 dou psi by dou x plus x del square psi bracket completed minus x psi star del square psi theta. Okay, so multiply here, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel to each other, is equal to integration h bar square upon mi. I is coming I, so this is the I h cross, one can write by m into bracket this star out inside psi star dou psi by dou x plus x psi star del square psi minus x psi star del square psi. What are the second last these two terms? So this x psi star del square psi and this x psi star del square psi, which will be cancelled to each other, and therefore this is equal to 0, and we write this is equal to so integration minus is equal to 1 upon m integration minus I h cross psi star dou psi by dou x theta. And what it is? So this is nothing but expectation value of x is equal to 1 upon m. This is expectation value of x. And here, therefore, where we start it? Here on this side we have the d by dt of expectation value of x, and therefore this expectation value of x is equal to 1 upon m expectation value of a momentum, and hence this transform m. So m d by dt of expectation value of x is equal to expectation value of px, and therefore this is the the first theorem of the unfazed. So m into rate of change of expectation value of x is equal to expectation value of momentum along the x direction. Okay, so this is the first unfazed theorem, which is exactly applicable Newton's laws.